This face mask helps to brighten and even out your skin tone, reduce acne scars, soothe irritation, and provide deep hydration. With regular use, it can give you a natural, radiant glow while keeping your skin soft and smooth. Bookmark this video so you don't lose it. To begin, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a bowl. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps to brighten the skin, reduce acne scars, and even out skin tone. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of honey. A natural humectant, honey hydrates the skin while its antibacterial properties help prevent and treat acne. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the bowl. This soothing gel is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that heal, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin, making it ideal for soothing irritated or sunburned skin. Stir until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Gently apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. If you like this recipe, type yes, I will use it.